Well, hello there, YouTube. My name is Andrew, or Blurry, and welcome back now to my tech corner today. This is my main computer, the Ryzen rig that I've built like a year ago. And today, I'm recording this video to fill, well, my kind of gap in between those videos I recorded. I just ended school. I'm on the school, like, summer break finally, so I can record more videos. So today you can join me on our journey to upgrade this machine from Windows 10, as you can see here, to Windows 11. I'm not gonna be installing the latest leaked build of 10, not 10, 11 that came out. Although I can install it, I have the ISO. It's just not worth today because 11 came to the insider channel. If you have the dev channel, you should get the update. So I'm gonna be installing 11 through the Windows update. You can see here I downloaded the update. It's now pending restart. So it's gonna take a while to install it. So yeah, this is Windows 10, just to confirm. It is installed in the Pro version. It is activated, so should be working fine. Without further ado, let's get upgrading. Also, I do have TPM in this machine, TPM 2.0 and UEFI enabled. So yeah, the machine should work well, I guess. So let's update and restart. Let's go. See you in Windows 11, I guess. Let's restart anyway. Hope for the best. Just like that, I'm on the lock screen of Windows 11 now. That is weird, bruh. I mean, it doesn't differ from my login screen. The wallpaper stays the same. My login credentials stay the same as always. Although the login screen is in Polish. That's weird. I have the system in English. I mean, I initially installed it in Polish, so it might just update a few things in here and there. Also, do note that this is dev still, like, yeah. It might be buggy now, so. Yeah, but this is running Windows 11 now. That is crazy. Like, the installation process to, like, I don't know, less than 5 minutes, I think. So, it is logging me in for a long while, but probably it's doing like its initial setup or something. I don't know. I shall wait to do this thingy, I guess. Let's just be patient. And here we are at Windows 11. Yeah, Wallpaper Engine freaks out now because the system restarted. Let me get Discord out of the way. I did check this out. The actually RetroBar is working with Windows 11. That is crazy. When I look up it is in fact Windows 11. That is crazy. Damn. So yeah, it is working pretty much fine. Although I have to move this shit to the left. I cannot look at the... Damn, those settings are really, really nice. But yeah, I have to do it, make it left, because this is an abomination to look at it like in the middle. Still, the system is kept in English, so that is a good part, I guess. Let me unpin those. So I don't need like your extraordinary apps and shit. It's useless. I just want the basics. So, yeah. That is it of my journey. The system works really fine. God damn, it looks so much better than Windows 10. Let's look at the settings menu, because I think that is changed also. Since in the leaked build, the settings menu was backported from 10. God damn it, this looks awesome. I can already tell. Yup, it was worth updating it. Let's see if FrontPage XP works. Let me check. No, it does work fine under Windows 11. So that's a good thing. At least my web designing is not like, well, screwed out by 10, like 11. I'm still not used to saying Windows 11. Well, that is the end of the short video I just wanted to share. And yeah, thank you guys for joining me. And see you in another episode. Probably my tech corner now. So yeah, see ya. Bye bye.